Hi everyone, welcome to MEOW we're talking. I figured I'd do this one outside so you can look at all the snow that we got. Yeah, snow, it sucks. I don't know how a Raider could put up with it. He plays in it all the time or whatever. I don't see what the big deal is. I hate snow, I hate cold. Give me summer anytime. 80 degrees, yeah, I'm happy. But not this stuff. Anyways, we got a little holiday coming up this week called Valentine's Day. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, I'm wearing my boxers, my Hershey Kiss boxers. They feel great on me. But for those that have that special someone out there, I wish you the best. Hope everything goes out good for you. Yeah, I'll be at Anthrocon this year in July. That's way down the road from now, a few months from now. But yeah, it's not too bad out here though. I mean, my fur's not as long as Raiders. As you can see, fur is shorter than Raiders. His is long and black, but mine is short. It's actually quite beautiful out here. I don't know if you can see everything, but let me show you a little bit of the street. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's actually pretty nice out here. So I don't know what else to talk about in this episode of MEOW we're talking. See, it's snowing out, or it snowed out. Very pretty, but it could be deadly. You gotta watch out for your traction on when you're driving. Watch where you're walking with icy. Watch out for those sop trucks and those plows out in the street. They could tear you apart. But yeah, not much going on in my life right now. But hopefully, get things roaring for AC. Oh, great. Raider's gonna get a kick out of this. Wasn't supposed to do that. Oh well. My tail's are all covered in snow. Oh well. I'll go for it. I don't see how Raider can play in this stuff. I'm cold. I'm closing up MEOW we're talking today. I'll make a longer segment next time. I'll try to come up with ideas. Have a good one, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.